Want to pay less tax and keep more of your money? Here are the smartest ways Canadians save on taxes. Contribute to your RRSP. Lowers taxable income and grows tax deferred. Open a first home savings account. Tax deductions now, tax-free withdrawals later. Use a TFSA. Investments grow tax-free forever. Claim childcare, medical and tuition expenses, everyday costs that reduce your taxes. Don't forget charitable donations, work-from-home credits, and moving expenses. And if you're married or retired, use spousal RRSPs and pension income splitting to cut your bill even further. Taxes don't have to drain your wallet. Plan ahead, claim these credits, and keep more money in your pocket. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.